Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Let us, let me know if the recording will be off. Okay. So let's start. I am showing you the class Tata Classedge. We'll see HTML. Okay. So I'm playing this video. Is this audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
Party requires a lot of planning and coordination. How do you manage to remember everything and ensure that you don't miss out on anything? Wouldn't it be easier if we made a list of things to do so that we don't miss out on anything and have a fabulous party? It is better to present information in the form of a list as it improves readability rather than have the text presented in a paragraph. Now let's learn how to create lists in HTML. There are three basic types of lists: unordered list, ordered list, and definition list. In an unordered list, the items are presented with a symbol called a bullet. In order to create an unordered list, one has to use the tag UL. All the items are enclosed within opening and closing tag of LI. Let's look at an example. Here, items beetroot, ginger, potato, and radish are listed within UL tag. The output in the HTML page is shown in bulleted form. The type attribute specifies the kind of marker to use in the unordered list. The user can change the bullet with attribute type. On changing the value of type to circle, it changes the bullet to circle in the HTML page. On changing the value of type to square, it changes the bullet to square in the HTML page. In case the user doesn't want to show any bullet in the list, then definition list should be used. The tag used for definition list is DL. The definition term represented with the tag DT defines a term or a name within the definition list. The definition description represented as DD tag further subclassifies the list within the DT tag.
Okay. Now you can see the new one is a DD, that is the definition and a definition list. This is not in your syllabus. We have not seen this. Okay. We have only seen what? UL
UL
tag
tag.
and OL tag. Yes.
Ordered list.
Yes, yes. Ordered list and unordered list. But there is another unordered list, that is the definition list. Okay. If you don't want the bullets and numbers over here, so you can use this definition list. Okay, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one.
In an ordered list, the items are listed with numbers or letters rather than symbols. In order to create ordered lists, the user needs to use OL tag. Other things are seen as unordered list, and each item needs to be included within LI tag. Like unordered list, the user can use the attribute type, but values over here are different. Value 1 is used for numbers. Value capital A is used for uppercase letter. Value small a is used for lowercase letter. Value capital I is used for uppercase Roman number. Value small I is used for lowercase Roman number. In the example, the value of type attribute is set to small I, so the output in the HTML page will show the list with lowercase Roman number. The user can change the starting number or alphabet of an ordered list by using the start attribute. In this example, the value of the start attribute is set to 4, so the output in the HTML page will show the list starting with 4 instead of the false number 1. There may be cases when there is a need to put a list within a list. This is called a nested list. In this example, the output of a nested list is displayed. The list items beetroot, ginger, potato and radish are included with the.
See here student, this is the nested list. First of all, here vegetable and flower. See, this is the unordered list, right now, vegetable and flowers. See here, the vegetables, it is written in the UL tag. First of all, we have started UL tag over here and closed UL tag over here. है ना? In between, after that, we want this in a listed manner. That means ordered list, right? So beetroot, ginger, potato, radish, it should be right in a OA tag. है ना? The type is A. You can write here one also. Whatever your requirement, your choice, you can write here 1, 2, 3, 4 also in a small letter or uppercase, that is A, B, C, D like that, or Roman letter, right? Here
Yes,
also
ma'am.
we have started, here we have closed the first list A, B, C, D. After that again we have started over here OL tag and written the type I. है ना? That means that is the lower case. So it will be right like this. Rose, lotus, aster, daisy. After that here the OL tag is closed and in the last UL tag is closed. So this is called as nested list. This type of question will come in the exam. Okay? If you want to take the screenshot, you can take it.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
I will take this example in revision also. Okay. Finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
the parent list, that is vegetables. Let us summarize what you have learned in this video.
Okay, now I am taking a quiz. I want answers from you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who is going to give me the answer? Which of the following tags
May I?
is the best suited to create a bulleted list?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes,
May
yes.
I?
And can I?
Yes, yes, better tell.
Ma'am, unordered list.
Ma'am, unordered list. UL.
Unordered list.
Yes, yes. Okay. Submit. Yes, this is the correct answer. Very good. Next question. Which tag can be used to number the list?
OL
Ma'am,
OL
tag.
tag.
Ordered
OL
list.
tag. Tag.
Ordered
An
list.
OL tag.
Yes, OA tag is the number list. Okay, submit. This is the correct answer. Very good. Next one. How many types of list are available in the HTML?
Four.
6.
3.
Three.
Yes, beta three. Unordered, right? है ना? Ordered, unordered, and list, right?
3.
Correct answer? Yes, this is the correct answer. Next, which of the following options is the correct
Disk.
marker for unordered list?
Disk.
Disk.
O
Sure, sure.
ma'am oval A.
No,
And
beta.
disk B.
Yes, it is
Ma'am,
this.
disk.
Disk.
It is asking
Ma'am,
for
disk.
type. Yes, yes. This we not write oval or number or rhombus. This is this. Submit. Yes, this is the correct answer. Next one. Anita wants to give a heading "My School Items" to a list on an HTML page. Which of the following options is the correct way of defining the heading?
D.
Is this D?
Ma'am
Sure.
Yes,
C.
ma'am. Ma'am, D.
Ma'am
Ma'am
D.
D.
Are you
D.
sure?
Ma'am A.
Yes, ma'am D.
Yes, ma'am, D.
Ma'am A.
Okay,
D.
I will check. Some are saying D. I'll check it. It's wrong
Ma'am
answer.
A.
Okay. Okay, this is the correct answer. My school item. Okay, after that, now the next one. We have seen this now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will further move in the next presentation. Is the recording on?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, now we will see the images and attribute, email attributes. We have seen the list now. Now we are going to see the image and image attributes. I have explained you how to insert the image, how to change the that height and width of the image, how to give the border to the image, right? So I will
And
show
border color.
yes, border color also. I'll show you this video and after this again I will take a quiz.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you watched the movie Harry Potter? How many of us have read the Harry Potter novel series? Isn't it easy to watch the movie compared to reading the novel? A picture is better than 1,000 words. Images attract people and make it easy to convey messages. Images can be displayed in a web page using HTML. This increases the viewership and also enhances the understanding of the subject matter. Images can be added to a web page using the img tag. The user needs to specify the path of the image file within the tag. The path of the image file is added by using the src attribute. The src attribute takes the value in the form of URL or the file location on the computer. Let's see how to add an image in an HTML page. The image original.jpg that needs to be added is stored under the images folder on the computer. The image tag with the src attribute is written along with the path of the image file. The image will be displayed in the browser as shown on the right side of the screen. When the internet connection is slow, the images can take a lot of time to download. Thus, it is helpful for the user to have the image description shown in such cases. The alt attribute can be used to show the textual description of the image. In the example, the image original.jpg would be displayed in a normal scenario. However, when the internet connection is slow and the image cannot be shown, the text environment would be displayed on the screen. In HTML, the height and width of an image can be adjusted irrespective of its original size. It helps the browser to allocate the required space on the web page. The attribute height and width.
Student, here you can see the one more attribute, that is alt. We have seen SRC, we have seen width, height, but we haven't seen the ALT, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ये ALT means alternate, okay, alternate text. If the image is not showing there, है ना, अगर मान लो कि इमेज आपके पेज में, वेब पेज में नहीं दिखाई दे रही है, तो उसके जगह पे ये वर्ड दिखाई देगा, environment. This word will be shown over there at the place of image. If the image is not there, ठीक है, अगर इमेज नहीं दिखाई दे रही है वेब पेज पे, तो आपको ये वाला वर्ड जो है environment, that will be seen over there. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Indicates the dimensions of the image on the web page. The align attribute specifies the alignment of an image according to the surrounding element on the web page. HTML provides different alignment options such as top, middle, bottom, left, and right. In the example, the alignment attribute takes the value as right, and the image is displayed to the right of the text image. The visual appeal of the image increases by providing a border around the image. HTML provides the attribute border for the same. In the example, the border attribute is defined with the image. The value 10 indicates the number of pixels used in a border. The output displays the highlighted border on the image in the browser. In HTML, inline text should have noticeable amount of space from the image. It can be done using the attributes X space and V space. Horizontal and vertical space is displayed on the output screen. High-resolution images take a long time to load on the web page. To keep the user engaged, a low-resolution image is displayed on the web page. The attribute low SRC is used to specify the path of the low-resolution image. In the example, the lower resolution image original underscore low dot JPEG file is displayed if the original dot JPEG file takes long time to load.
Okay. So this is also we have not seen in your book, है ना? So that's why we have not studied this. V space, then X space, and this also, low SRC. Now
Yes, ma'am.
next one.
You must have seen online shopping websites containing multiple small images on a single page. When the user clicks the image, it takes him to another page with more detailed information about that specific image item. Here, the image acts as a hotspot because it contains the links to other specific pages. In the example, the href tag directs the user to another HTML page named second.html. This page contains the larger image embedded in it.
Have you understand this? Student, did you understand this?
Ma'am, how the large image is found, I have understood, but not how multiple images are placed.
Actually, now this is the image. What it is actually telling you that whenever we will click on that particular image, the next page will be open. Means whatever we have linked that page. See here on this image SRC, whatever the image we have inserted over here. Before that, we have used here AHREF, that is anchor tag, है ना? Anchor tag we have used here, and
Yes,
the page location, the page path is also written over here. Whenever we click on that particular image, this page will be displayed. Okay? जब भी हम
yes, ma'am.
इस पे जब हम क्लिक करेंगे तो ये जो पेज है जो आपने लिंक करके रखा है दैट विल बी ओपन. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next.
Linking multiple pages to a single image is also possible by dividing the image into multiple clickable parts or hotspots. Location of the hotspot is defined using x and y coordinates. In this case, the image is divided into 5 different areas. The location of the hotspot is measured from the top left-hand corner of the image. The user can use multiple hotspots in the image. Each hotspot is defined by map and area tags along with use map attribute value. In the example, the map tag is defined along with the area tag as rect along with the coordinates. This hotspot, when clicked, takes to the page office.html.
Okay. Did you understood this? How to see the multiple different pages with the clicking on the same image?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, Beta, only one student is giving me answer. Why not others? You didn't understood whatever is going on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm telling you. I'm showing you. Wait a minute. Huh? See this.
The
See this. This is the image. Okay. Now this particular part is having four corners, right? Is there four corners?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the that corner? This corner, ये जो first corner है, इसका अगर आपने coordinates अगर निकाले, do you know what is the meaning of coordinates? जैसे ये है, जैसे मान लो ये आपकी पूरी स्क्रीन है ना? ये आपकी पूरी स्क्रीन है. इस स्क्रीन से ये जो है ये पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट जो है, जैसे एक्स वाई कोऑर्डिनेट्स आप देखते हैं ना, जब आप
Yes,
ग्राफ
ma'am.
ड्रॉ करते हो तो वी कैन सी द एक्स वाई कोऑर्डिनेट्स, है ना? तो ये जो पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट है कॉर्नर का, वो एक्स से हॉरिजेंटली कितना दूरी पे है, वाई से मतलब कि वर्टिकल आपका डिस्टेंस कितना है, दैट विल बी योर कोऑर्डिनेट्स. तो ऐसे फोर कोऑर्डिनेट्स होते हैं, 1 2 3 4, फोर कॉर्नर्स आते हैं. तो इसके आपने अलग कोऑर्डिनेट्स लिख दिए. तो इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया पे अगर आप क्लिक करते हो तो वो पर्टिकुलर पेज आप ओपन कर सकेंगे. आफ्टर दैट इसकी आप कोऑर्डिनेट्स लिख लो, है ना? लाइक दिस आई एम शोइंग यू. सी हियर. Here you can see the area shape rectangle, है ना? Rectangle shape था, coordinates उसके ये है, right? Four corners are there, we have written, है ना? तो फिर HRF ये जो है ये पेज खुलेगा आपका, मान लीजिए ये इस पर्टिकुलर इस एरिया पे जब आप क्लिक करोगे तो ये ओपन होगा, या इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया पे अगर आप क्लिक करते हो तो ये ओपन होगा. नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is not in your book, beta. Don't worry.
Ma'am, can we
But just
take
I
screen?
am taking. Yes, you can take the screenshot. If you want to add or if you want to insert all these tags in your website, you can do it. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in that coordinate before our HREF tag, why is not written?
What?
Before
8 letter
H.
before HREF.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we write A. Why it is not written here?
Area is written na. Area shape is rectangle, right? The shape of area is rectangle. है ना? दिख रहा है आपको ऑफिस?
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
हाँ, the shape
Yes,
is
ma'am.
rectangle. Coordinate क्या है? The coordinate of this box is 46, 37, 219, 141. Now href is office.html like this. है ना? You
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
write like this. Okay. The next one.
Ma'am, what is the last date to submit this
Take
HTML
some
project?
prize what you have learned.
Wait a minute. What happened?
Ma'am, what is the last date to submit this HTML project?
That I will tell you later on, beta. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now so let's take one quiz first. है ना? Okay, now tell me, Anita wants to use very high quality images to showcase the design of her buildings in commercial HTML pages. Which of the following image file formats she will use? What?
A.
A. PG.
Okay. No. Is this DNP? Is this JIP? Is this Steve?
Ma'am, what is the full form of this tag?
Ma'am, what is TIFF?
Ma'am,
Beta, yes, yes, we have not seen this. We have not seen this. है ना? Okay, yeah, your class is completed, beta. Someone wants to join this class, carry minute outside. Okay, now listen. Our class time is over, so we will discuss all these things in the next class.
ma'am, 10 time is minutes are still left. 10:30.
Beta, I will take your class now. Wait a minute. I am closing this recording first.